What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be making a review on the 84-inch Big Ass Fans Haiku ceiling fan. The most advanced ceiling fan technologically. It's a very well designed ceiling fan that will elevate the price of your house while giving you tons of cubic feet of airflow, to be exact 15,000, which is pretty impressive. It comes with a 7-speed DC motor as well. What's special about the fan is that it's not only remote controlled, but you can use your phone or even Alexa for it. So to start off with the remote, right here, it has several different options. So this is for the fan to turn it on. This is for the light, if you had a light, which we don't have. This is a timer for how long you want the fan on. This is whoosh mode, which gives you a natural breeze. And here's sleep mode, which once you press it once, the fan will turn off after 30 minutes. So let's fire it up. Here we go. So it's automatically powered to its first speed. Okay, good. Here's second. So the history of this fan, when we bought it off like a year ago off the Big Ass Fans website, and the fan here before was Craft Made Builder series. So we took down the Craft Made Builder series and rented scaffolding to put up this fan. The instructions were pretty simple and easy and self-explanatory and color-coded, in which I really liked. It made it easy to install. So here's second speed, or third speed. Sorry, third speed. I don't know how to do math. Fourth speed. Fifth speed. Speed 6. Wow, this thing's pretty quick. And the final speed, speed 7. This one takes a second to get to its 7th speed. It really is an amazing fan. So there's that. So I'm just gonna turn it into whoosh mode now. And whoosh mode is gonna give you a natural breeze, so it'll go on various different speeds. So it might go to speed 5 and then speed 6 and then speed 7 or speed 4. I never really got the programming of that, but that's what it does. So as you can see, the fan's going to spin faster and then slow down after a couple of seconds. Give it a second. Or not. And well, that's going to be it for the video. It's really nice fan that will elevate the value of wherever you put it. So I completely recommend this fan for anyone because it's just an awesome fan. I'm quite speechless onto how it performs. So that's going to be it for this video.